Hello and welcome to our games making tutorial class simple tutorial. In this short video, we will be talking about how you import your asset, how you make the character animation, the behavior of the sprite, you will know that in a second, instance variable in this game engine, and music and sound effect. Alright. So what is asset? Asset is like anything that you want to put inside your game. It can be background, it can be visual effect, it can be your character, it can be music and sound too, right? So what you're gonna do is, if you have the asset ready, you can just search for the asset. For my asset, it is this one. You can just click it and drag it inside here. So you will be having your character here. So this is one way of importing. Another way of importing is if you want to import your music or sound. Firstly, you need to find your sound effect. Normally, we will find the sound effect in the Google. You can just type, let's say, sound effect for games. And then I prefer using this mix kit. Yeah, let's see. Let's say I want to have a hit sound effect. Maybe this one. And then I click download. Then I'm done downloading this. Alright. And then I go back to my Construct 2 interface. Click on sound. Right click on it. Import sound. And then you go and find your the sound effect you just downloaded. And then import. And then click import. Successfully converted to OGG and AAC. Okay, good. So by doing that, you just imported your sound effect into the game. So you may ask me, how do I do the coding on the sound? Maybe I'll show you later. Let's say I want to import more of the tiles. Never. Environment. Oh no. Collectible, no. Background, no. Platformer, yeah, maybe this. You can just drag, You can just drag. Oh, I just realized I didn't snap it. You can snap the thing by clicking on view and then snap to grid. So it will be just snap to each other. You can see that it can snap to each other. I will not be using this. I just for demonstration only. So I'll just randomly create a sprite. I just double click on the white space, click on sprite, and then just type whatever I want. Maybe I ground, and then paste on it. Maybe I want a green ground. Then this will be the thing I stand on it. Alright. So this is my character. And this is how you import your asset. For character animation, what you need to do, you double click on your character. And then there's an animation pen here. You right click on it, you can just add animation. But I just use this default animation. I set it to idle. What I need to do now is right click on the animation frame, import frames from files, and then you just search for the animation you just downloaded. For me, mine is at main character, .else, png, idle. I just import all of this. Open. They will be imported all inside. Yeah. I increase the speed. How many is this? Maybe 20. And then 20. Then I loop it so I can see how it idles. Okay, so you can see it's working correctly. Yeah. So this is character animation. There's a lot of animation you need to import if you want to make a good character movement. So this is just one of the animation. This is idle. Alright. So so this finish for the character animation, and then we'll move on to behavior. So a behavior is like you give a behavior to something, and then that something will do something else. Okay, I think that is hard to understand. So I just click on the behavior, and then we will just give you a rough idea on what is it. On the left side panel, behavior, click on add new. These are the behavior. Okay. They are solid, which means the thing is solid, you cannot pass through. It has drag and drop, which means you can use mouse and drag it around. It has bullet, which means this thing can be a bullet to maybe you want to make it as bullet to shoot. It can be a car, it can be a platform, it can be sign, it can be turret, it can be 8 direction. Yeah, this all of these things are just giving the sprite some behavior. So for me, I want this thing, my character, to stand on the ground. So I just set the character to platform first. Platform. So platform is like the Super Mario behavior, which means you stand on the ground and then you move around. Alright. So I just choose platform, and then I click run layout. You can see it just passes through because this screen thing is not solid. It cannot stand on it. So I just click on this screen thing and behavior plus make it a solid. So you can stand on it now. You can jump left, right, yeah. So this screen thing is solid and my character is a platform. Alright. So these are the behavior. You can discover other behavior by yourself. So you just click on this behavior plus, and then these are the behaviors. Alright. Okay. So for the next thing is about instant variable. Instant variable is like a container for you to store something. It can be anything. For example, let me create something. Let's say I want to create a sprite that is called a coin. A coin, maybe some apple. Apple. And then I click on the layer. Maybe my apple is red in color. Maybe a bit bigger. Much bigger. A lot more bigger. Not too big. Maybe 150. Okay. So this will be my apple. And then I make multiple of it first. Okay. What I want to do now is when my character touch this apple, the apple will gone, and then my apple will increase by 1. The apple I get will increase by 1. So let me set something first so that you guys can see it. Maybe score. This one here. Maybe a bigger font. Make it a bigger font. Maybe 36. Some of you are blind. Oh, sorry. Middle and center. Center 2. horizontal center. Alright, so this will be my the thing that will see whether how many apples I get. So what I want to do now is click on my character and then click on this instant variables. Alright, instant variables. Click on it and then add new. It can be a number, a boolean, or a text. So for our apples, we want numbers. So we just set numbers and then maybe set it as apples. Apples. Right. Apples. So on this event sheet, on the top, layout, event sheet, click on add event, my character. On collision with another object, collision means you touch each other. Collision with the apple. What you want to do? You want to destroy the apple because you just get the apple. So apple, destroy. After that, after you destroy the apple, what you gonna do? You want to add the number into the container we just created. This apples. You want to add inside here. So this is where you use your variables. So add action. Click on my character because the instant variable is created on my character. Yeah, apples. Alright. Add action. My character. And then under instant variables, I click add to. And then choose my apples and then set the value by 1. So when I collide with one apple, the apples will increase by 1. Okay. So yeah, that's it. For you to see the text that shows how many apples I just get, I just set every tick. This score will set a text equal to my character's apples. Alright, so let's see. So you can see now it is 0, and then this is all my apples. So let's see what will happen when I touch it. You can see that it increased by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So this is how you use the instant variable. Not only you can just store the score, you can store anything like level, your damage, your defense, anything that includes number. Mostly we will use number, but if you want, you can use character also. Maybe English, Chinese, Malay, I don't know. Yeah. So that is that. And then if you remember just now, I said that if you are curious about how you use the sound effect, you can do it here. So add action, and then you need to add a sound first. So double click on the white space here, and then you choose sound. Okay, no sound. So what is it? Audio, sorry, audio. And then add action. Click on audio. Play. Add object. Or you just choose a play. It automatically choose one for you. The one we just downloaded just now. Okay. Let's play again. See whether there's sound or not. No, see, there's a sound there. Okay. So this is how you use animation, as an import, instant variable, using sound effect and behavior in completing your basic game. Yeah. So I hope you get some idea on how you should start your game. And let's catch up later. Bye.